Good morning, everybody. I'm Marko Hainen, founder of the Help the Oceans, and today is going to be really interesting day. As I said it last time, that there's going to be new oceans, new problems. So let's get further ado, and I have something what you need to really think about it in really carefully, as this is the big ocean. And what is ocean today is going to be, it's an Indian Ocean. A lot of countries, a lot of problems. So let's get the things rolling. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow ocean lovers and esteemed guests, I stand before you today as an ocean-going guru, having spent remarkable 34 years sailing the vast and majestic Indian Ocean. And this is not the fake. I have spent a lot of time in here. Throughout my journey, I have witnessed the good, the bad, and the ugly aspect of the human impact of this precious ecosystem. Picture of this: a breathtaking canvas stretching from Philippines to India, from Malaysia to China, Indonesia, Myanmar, Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Thailand. It's a big picture. This Indian Ocean, a cradle of life, teeming with extraordinary marine biodiversity, has become a battleground where the forces of pollution wage a relentless war against the maritime environment. As I sailed these once pristine waters, I observed the devastating effect of the ocean plastic pollution, a source plaguing our beloved Indian Ocean. And we have to say, all of us who are sailing in the Indian Ocean, we love it. It is a lot of good environment. This immense body of water, which should be flourishing with the vibrant marine life, now bears the weight of our irresponsibility. Yes, it is causing a lot of weight for the Indian Ocean. The nations surrounding the Indian Ocean, thought powerful and resourceful, have not been true guardians of this sacred realm. They have not. We all know that. We look the news. I look the news. You know it, what it is. It pains me to witness the politicians of these countries engaging in nothing more than empty talks and lip service while our oceans choke on the plastic waste. We recklessly dispose on it. Not good for those ones. We all know that. Real-time restrictions and decisive actions are the need of the hour, but all we see is inactions and complacency. This is actually really headache. It gives you a headache. For far too long, the politicians in power have turned their blind eye to the crisis of ocean. That is true. They don't give a shit. They seamlessly prioritize filling their own pocket over safeguarding the irreplaceable natural heritage bestowed upon us. They just want to get the money in their pocket. They don't give a shit about the oceans. They just talk and lip servicing, as we all know. It is high time we demand accountability and urge them to prioritize the protection of our Indian Ocean. People talk, people rise up the voice. Politicians do basically nothing. They don't give a shit. We, the people who hold the power to create the change, must unite as a force of nature. Remember, the voice, people united, we can make a big, big sound. It's just not that one person talks and all the other ones just quiet. We cannot let the greed of the few tarnish to the future of many. Our collective voices must be roar like a mighty waves that dance in harmony across the Indian Ocean. Higher waves, more damage for the politicians. Let's make a higher noise. But this fight is not just about the placing blame. It is about the acknowledging our own responsibility as well. We humans, all of us, not just the politicians, all of us, have to take responsibility for that one. Each one of us must take ownership of our actions and choices. Now comes the good part. Reduce, reuse, recycle. The mantra we heard time and again. It's not mere slogan, it is the way of life. By adopting sustainable practices, we can diminish the flow of plastic into the oceans. Simple things. Learning by doing. Together, me, you, and millions of others over there. Together we can embark on the new voyage, steering the course towards to cleaner, healthier Indian Ocean. It will demand courage, perseverance, and unwavering commitment from all of us. Simple thing, really hard to accept. I know that one. As I reflect my 34 years at sea, I am filled with hope and determination. I've been that one, and I tried my best to get the voice over to the world of people. The power of collective action has the potential to heal and restore the Indian Oceans to its former glory. We need to do something. It starts with the small steps, but let's make a big, big sound. Voice. Let us stand together, arm in arm, arm in arm, arm in arm, with the millions of others who share our passions. Let us demand the change, foster awareness, and hold those in power accountable. Yes, they must be held accountable. Remember, we are not merely spectators of this grand play. We are actors, the directors and producers shaping the fate of the Indian Oceans and the world beyond. Thank you, my fellow ocean warriors, for lending me your ears today. Let us march forth with the purpose and conviction, leaving a legacy that future generations will honor and cherish. The time for action is now. I hopefully understand and want to hear your voice regarding this action must be taken care of as soon as possible. It's just not that we're sitting in the front of the computer and listen, give a commenting. As to help the oceans, we need your help a little bit so we can actually get out to sea. Like I said in my previous, we're gonna get one way or the other. I'm gonna send a Twitter. I don't consider it as an X. It is still in the Twitter. It's a happy little blue bird, and get connected with Elon Musk one way or the other. We're gonna get the Starlink so you can see the live. I mean really live, not edited, not recorded, live what happens in oceans. So having said that one, do I get your help? Do I get your voice? And now I got some email. My name is Marko Hänen, I'm the founder of the Help the Oceans. I hope to see you next time. Please like, click the bell button somewhere over there, it gives you alarm. And of course, share Help the Oceans, all your communities. We must share because we have a lot of things to work on it and fixing it. Hope to see you next time. Have a good day.